shared the same understanding of the importance of fighting against fake news and misinformation. TASS itself has received international criticism of disseminating misinformation, leading to its removal from Reuters and YouTube platforms. Getty Images also ended its partnership with TASS last year, following its coverage of Russia's invasion of the Ukraine. TASS CEO Sergei Mikhailov said that he understood Reuters' withdrawal to be, quote, influenced by the current world atmosphere. Ambassador Borovic accepted NetPyatra's request to support the technical capacity building for Cambodian information officials, as the Ministry of Information has announced it will be training journalists and PR representatives. The ministry also created a committee to propagate, explain, and protect Cambodia's positive image in September, showing the new administration's priorities. Kristen Winters, EAC News. For watching EAC News, thank you for joining us. The Ministry of Health detailed preventative measures as pink eye infections spread in some of Cambodia's provinces. Yesterday, the ministry issued a statement highlighting the symptoms of conjunctivitis, in which the white part of the eye becomes pink, red, or swollen, especially in the morning. Those infected experience watery eyes, inflammation, itchiness, irritation, and sometimes pus coming from the infected area. EAC News reporter Anthony Ellis has the details.
Pink eye is caused by a virus that can be mixed with common cold or other respiratory illnesses. The infection intensity spreads from one eye and can be spread to another within a few days. It is highly contagious from person to person, but can be managed with good hygiene. The ministry instructed people to wash their hands with soap and warm water for at least 30 seconds, or to use alcohol-based sterilizer if the soap is unavailable. Clean hands are especially important before and after applying eye drops or ointment. Patients should avoid touching or rubbing their eyes to prevent further irritation and the spread of disease. With clean hands, people should wash any discharge from around their eyes several times a day using a clean, wet washcloth or fresh cotton ball. Throw away the cotton balls after use and wash used washcloths and hot water and detergent, then wash their hands again with soap and warm water. Households with pink eyes should also wash pillows, blankets, mattresses and towels frequently in hot water and soap. The Ministry of Health says that most cases of conjunctivitis are mild and the infection usually goes away within 7 to 14 days without the need of treatment and without long-term complications. In some cases, viral eye infections take 2 to 3 weeks or more to heal. Doctors may prescribe antibiotics such as eye drops or ointments to reduce the duration of the infection and the risk of spreading to others. For more information, citizens can contact the Ministry of Health hotline number 115 for free, contacting the ministry directly. Anthony Ellis, EAC News.
You're watching EAC News. Thank you for joining us. While attending the Third Belt and Road Forum in Beijing this week, Cambodian Prime Minister Hun Manet delivered a keynote address at the high-level forum on digital economy entitled Digital Economy as a New Source of Growth, where he encouraged public and private sectors to collaborate towards building the worldwide digital economy. In yesterday's speech, the Prime Minister congratulated China and all Belt and Road Initiative, or BRI, participants in the prosperity gained through the program over the last 10 years. He noted that digital technology has been rapidly developing, resulting in greater economic and social connectivity. According to the World Economic Forum, the global digital economy was valued at $14.5 trillion in 2021 and is expected to reach $20.8 trillion by 2025. Proving a tempting market for countries with young and tech-savvy working populations. The Prime Minister summarized certain needs to harness the full potential of the digital economy, including policy and regulation development, enabling infrastructure, supporting innovation, and promoting digital literacy. To achieve this, he encouraged more cooperation between governments, the private sector, and academia, in addition to digital skills training, awareness-raising campaigns, and consultative forums with the private sector. He also encouraged increased funding for building and developing digital infrastructure, including connectivity, data, and security centers. That same day, the Council for the Development of Cambodia announced the endorsement of an investment project for a data center to be established in Phnom Penh's Tonle Basak district. The Cambodian Prime Minister also stressed the need for sustainable development within the digital sector. He noted Cambodia's favorable conditions to foster digital economic growth, including its young population and, quote, burgeoning tech-savvy
Thank you, Prime
workforce.
Minister Om Manai.
He finished his speech with a call to action for BRI member states. You're watching EAC News. Thank you for joining us. President Thongloun Sisoulith of Laos is ready to build Cambodia-Lao relations with the new administration led by Prime Minister Hun